All right, we got a beautiful Wildwood right here. Outdoor kitchen, LED lights, outdoor sound system, solid steps, heated and enclosed underbelly. And you can tell this trailer is cold. Look at this. This makes into one huge sofa sleeper. A great concept. Look at this. Beautiful fridge. But look at this. You get 2 bedrooms in this unit. 1, 2, 3, 4 sleepers. Get your own private door. That turns into a sofa. Look at this thing. What a beauty. Look at this nice, clean fireplace. And you get a private bedroom. Free shipping always. Oh Lord.